about how can you fix this problem on your Peacock app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps list here, and here you're looking for Peacock app, or just click on search here. Then here at Peacock, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, then you come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.